Thanks for doing this, Therese. I appreciate it. The way this comes about is Martha, our webmaster, asked me to see if we can populate our website with some video. You know, that's a way to rise in the Google rankings. So I thought of people who have been with me a long time, like yourself. So I have two questions. One is, do you remember what brought you here? And it's been 35 years, so can you talk a little bit about why you stay?
Okay. First of all, I came here because I wanted to resolve the issue of having so many partials in my mouth. I come from a country where many dentistry is practiced by pulling people's teeth. And I come from a family who loves sweets and afraid of dentists, and so that's the reason why by age 20 I was already with a number of partials. At that time I came to you because we came to know each other through social issues that we believed in, but I also was introduced to a kind of dentistry that was so far from what I have experienced in the Philippines. The idea of a better looking, mouth, I thought was just a matter of putting bridges, which would have been more permanent. But because of the spans of areas where there was no teeth, the idea of a very strong bridges could not be, long span was not possible. But it was very expensive at that time, and the technology of implants was not even the greatest either. So we worked around what it meant to get to that point for many years, but it also meant that a whole mouth health needed to be, part of the plan. And I was educated on the idea of strengthening the gums so that the bones behind the gums do not deteriorate, to ready me for that eventuality when I could have the implants.
I remember it well.
Right? And so it was really a long period of, getting the mouth healthy, improving the smile as much as possible with what's available at the time, the prettiest bridge that one could have. And as soon as we were able to get the right time for the affordability and the implants to happen, we had almost a 2-year plan, right?
Right.
To put it in motion. And I think by the time I had the implant, I guess fast forward 20 years later, it's one of the happiest moments one could ever have. It was in September 2006 that this happened. And I think I have always been very happy about that, that moment when I could have that implant. But over the years, I think I stayed on because not only did I have, the experience of a master person of a dentist in Alan, but also the whole staff was so much part of the process of being so professional, but also one of the most generous and kind and efficient staff I've ever experienced in any other medical or dental experience of mine. So that's why I stayed. I'm still here, still, looking to keep my gums and my mouth healthy. Thank you for all of these years, Alan.
Oh, thank you for this glowing report.
Thank you.